Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to open a door in Unity, and I will talk about a problem that many creators found when they try to animate or to open the door. So first of all, let's create the door by right click and choose 3 objects, then choose cube. Let's name it as door, then put it in the between these two walls. Let's scale it. Then scale it again in the x-axis, now in the z-axis. Okay, this is the door. Let's put some material to the door. Door material. Good. Now the second thing, let's create the hinge by right click here, then 3 object, then cube, and let's name it as hinge. Now choose the place of the hinge. Let's scale it in the z-axis. So this is the hinge. So the many users or many creators, they are found a problem here, that when I put the door in the hinge, you will find that when you rotate it, it will rotate from the middle of the door like this, and here in the center. So how to fix it? Go to the hinge and change this to pivot. Now let's rotate it, rotate as it should be. Great. The second thing, let's hide this box. Choose the hinge and choose then mesh render. Now we hide it. After that, let's create the animation. So click in the hinge and add component and add animation. Write animation and add animation. After that, let's create the animation. Go to the animation. Then if you don't find animation here, click to the 3 dots here and add a new tab and choose animation. But I have it, so I don't have to do this. So let's create animation and we name it as open door and save. Then let's create the first frame. Click on the record and let's create the first frame. Choose here Y, click number 1, then return it to number 0, because this is the first frame, how to record it. Then go to the second that you wanted. So I go to the first second and choose 90 degrees to the Y axis. So let's run it. It will open like this. Good. After that, we click on the record again. Now go to the object and see here, you will find the animation is none. So let's add it. Click to the dot here and choose open door that we created right now. This is the animation that we created right now. Double click on it and let's see. You will find now, if I click on play, you'll find the door will automatically open because we didn't check on this box. So let's run it and see. You will find the door open by itself. So how we fix this? We click here, we check this box. Now when we run it again, you will find the door, it's still in the same position. Good. So next step, we create the scripts. So in assets, click on assets, then choose script, and let's create a C# script and let's rename it as door hinge, like this. The same spelling, door hinge, door hinge, capital D, capital H, and click on it. Then double click on the door hinge, and you will find and open the code. The script, you will find it down below in the description. Click on it, then paste it here. Copy the script that you will find it in the description and put it in the script that we created. Then press Ctrl S to save the script. Then wait a few seconds. Okay, now hold on left click and hold this script to the hinge, then click to the hinge, and you can see here the written is hinge here. Put the hinge here, so grab it and put it here. Okay, nothing will change again. So when we play the game, you will find the same thing, nothing changed, and we will fix it, no problem. You will see the door, it's still the same, nothing changed. So how to fix it? We should put some properties to the hinge. First of all, let's edit the collider. So the place that a player that click on the E button that in the code, you can change it the click that you want, E, F, H, anything. So if I click E in this position, the door should be open. So, but be sure that your click is in trigger to make the player walk through this box, walk through in this box. And if I click E button in this area, the door will open. So now let's run the game. Here, now the door is closed. Now click E, the door open. Great. And this is the lesson. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and bye.